Is it a scam? Can you actually do this? I'm here to break it all down. This is not even from UGC. I sold my car. I'm going to tell you the truth about UGC and what it takes to actually get paid. By the end of this video, you are going to know what UGC is and why brands pay for it, the biggest myths and lies people believe about UGC, and if it's worth doing or is it another internet trend. Okay, let's break this down. What is UGC? UGC stands for user-generated content, but don't let that confuse you. Brands aren't just taking random customer reviews and repurposing them. They are paying customers like me and you to make content that looks like a real customer experience. The key difference. You are not an influencer and you do not need a following. You do not need to post the content yourself. You just film it, send it to the brand, and they use it for marketing. Why do brands pay for UGC? Because real people trust real people more than a polished ad. Authenticity builds trust, and it's also a lot cheaper for businesses to pay a UGC creator than run an influencer campaign. So what does that mean for you? You don't need to grow a personal brand to make money. You don't have to go viral to get paid. You just have to make content that looks organic and makes people want to buy. The biggest UGC myths and lies.
UGC is such an easy money side hustle.
Reality, it's a real job. You have to pitch, create content, negotiate. If you think brands are just going to magically find you, you'll be waiting forever.
You can get paid without a portfolio.
No. Brands need to see examples of your work before they go paying you. Would you hire a photographer without ever seeing their photos? Right. Well, it's the same deal here.
You're going to need to buy fancy equipment to start.
Your phone is enough. Brands care about storytelling, reliability, and clarity, not whether you have a $3,000 camera.
Brands are going to reach out to you first.
No, not when you're starting out. You have to actively pitch to brands first. Apply on UGC platforms and get your name out there. Okay, so let's be real. UGC is not for everyone. If you're comfortable being creative and problem solving, you like to test different ideas and styles of content, and you're okay with pitching and negotiating instead of waiting for people to come to you, then UGC is for you. But UGC is not for you if you're expecting to make money without putting in any effort, you hate filming, editing, or storytelling, or you're looking for overnight success without any learning curve. The bottom line, if you're willing to learn, UGC is a great way to make money, but if you're looking for fast cash, you will be disappointed. Honestly, us creators do work really hard. I know it looks glamorous seeing us on the camera, seeing us do all these things and getting all these free products, but there is so much work involved, and that is why it is a job, and it is also why, unfortunately, not every UGC creator is successful, because they do think that it is easy, and a lot of social media does spread that awareness that you can make money fast, everyone needs to try this, because they're usually selling a guide, and that's okay to sell a guide, but don't mislead people. So if you're still here, that means that you're very serious about starting UGC, or it's at least crossing your mind. If you've watched this video right through, drop a comment and let me know what the one thing holding you back from starting UGC is. Or if you're already a creator, what's one myth that you believed about UGC? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to have a laugh, because I even believed so many of them myself. Next up, I'll be diving into 5 common UGC mistakes and how to fix them.